Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily Hassler. Today I'm sharing 3 cards that I created with this stamp set from Trinity Stamps. It's called Nutty Squirrel and it's a 3x4 sized stamp set, so it has a lower price point, but I think it's packed with beautiful autumn themed stamps that you can absolutely pair up with your other stamps or use alone, as I'm doing in this video. So you can see I'm started off here with my first card. I think it's kind of hard to see on camera the leaves that I have been stamping down, but I can actually see it in real life. So I'm just going around creating a background pattern, and then I'm going in to fill in the empty spaces with one of the leaves here. This is a very light gray color from Lawn Fawn, and I'm just coating that with alabaster golden embossing powder, I think it's called that. You can see how it turned out after I heated it. So I'm taking a little bit of a larger piece. This is actually a 4¼ by 5½ piece of the same light gray cardstock, and this time I'm just marking off 2 places on my card. I will create like a focal point for my card with this one. I will have just one sticking up. I don't know why I wanted that, but I had my mind set on that, and then I went ahead and did some more. I used one of the sentiment that said I think I cannot see on the screen right now, but I think it's a onuts. And then I used some of the leaves, filling in the space between my lines that I created, making sure I'm not going outside of them, because in a while here I will actually erase those lines, and I want it to look like they are staying in place inside of this. And I'm taking that little nut as well, and it's an acorn, I think. Really beautiful, and just pressing it down. I'm erasing my lines here, my guidelines, and then you will see that it actually looks like they are in place, and that was the whole point with this. So I will do some more stamping. This is our 3rd card that we are creating right now. This is a white piece of cardstock. It's some Nina white cardstock, and I'm alternating the ways this is going. And then I'm going to pick out the cute squirrel that is included in this stamp set. And I will do a technique called mirror stamping here. I will just press my inked stamp down to a solid stamp and then press it down again. And you can see that it transferred, but this time the image is mirrored. And I will do that twice. You will see me do that one more time, pressing it down. And sorry if you could see my daughter's hand on the screen. So there it is, and I actually went ahead and colored this in to save some time off camera. Just use some autumn colors and giving those squirrels some nice colors. And then I did the same thing with our 2nd card that you saw me use or create, sorry, a while ago. And I just used something that said thanks. That is also from another Trinity Stamps stamp set, and you will see it here in a second. I can list it down below. It's maybe it easier. I'm making sure that that is straight, and you can see that the gray panel with heat embossed gold leaves. I'm just trying it out here on a scrap piece of paper before I go to my actual card base here. What was I saying? That it's I'm losing my words. Yeah, I'm gonna create like a popped up panel with this one. That was what I was trying to say. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit tired. Here in Sweden it's after 9 o'clock in the evening, and my daughter finally got to sleep, so that is why I'm kind of tired too. I've been working all day. So here I'm using a new embellishment mix from Trinity Stamp. This is called Autumn Leaves Embellishment Mix, and it's absolutely beautiful. I want to make a shaker with these beautiful colors, but for now I'm just picking out some of them and going around creating a nice focal point for my pumpkins here. Off camera I colored every image out with some glitter pen and also some of the background embossed images. So I really like how that turned out with a lot of sparkle. I will adhere my panel for our third card here down to a gray card base. And this card panel, the second one we created, I'm just taking some liquid glue to the backside and to a white card base. You will actually see that it didn't fit perfectly because my card base was a little bit too big, so I will cut it down to fit exactly to an A-sized card here in a second, and I may be doing that off camera. Taking the same embellishment mix here just to make these look quite cohesive. The same one here, making sure that I like the placement of all of my sequins before I'm gluing them down. And when I'm happy with it, I'm just fiddling around with all of these small small sequins, and then I am pretty pleased with how this turned out. These were fairly easy cards to create, and it took not that much time, but I really like that you can see that you can create a lot of different projects with just this small stamp set and an embellishment pack. So I hope you got some inspiration to create with this stamp set, and I hope you have a lovely day into next time. Bye!